Check it out. My stand broke, so we're gonna go ahead and get it fixed and then extend this thing too. So see you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, we're here at Soka's house with the CBR. We're about to change the chain, extend the brake line, and extend this thing 6 or maybe even 8 inches. And we got our dog right here, Callie. That's right. Callie's gonna be on YouTube. We got Soka right here. Oh, Callie's new home. That's his forever babysitter right there.
She gonna go jogging with me, running with me.
Oh, she gonna take you walking and take you running.
Basket on there.
You can just borrow Lance's net. All right, so this is our first time. This is our first time unlinking and linking a bike chain. Okay. So we got this badass tool right here. Shout out to my boy John for hooking us up. Hey, by all means, this is not a tutorial.
We don't know what the fuck we do.
As of right now, this is what the bike looks like, unextended. So,
get the other bikes. Get the other bikes.
Oh, get the other bikes. 2008 GSXR times 2. So we just got this today. It's pretty nice, man. Shout out to B Loco. Look at this beast. We're getting more and more collection. We're gonna go for a Grom or a Ruckus next.
Okay, first things first, what we do?
First things first is next scene. Alright guys, this is where we're at right now. We went ahead and we broke the chain. Let it hang right here. And then we pulled the brakes off because we're about to do the brake line as well. We need a longer brake line for this extension, so we're going ahead and did that. Got to check my brake pads. I guess it's still okay. Then we're going to clean it a little bit. But from here, we're going to go ahead and put the extension on. And then we're going to go ahead and put the tire back on, and hopefully everything lines up well. Whatever you guys do, man, make sure you guys find this little piece right at where the brakes is, with a bracket. So I don't know how important that is, but that's part of it. So make sure you guys leave that in there. And then, like I said, we're going to go ahead and clean this up, put the extensions on. Making it happen with our dirty hands.
Yeah, we got gloves this time.
So we're gonna put these on in a minute, and see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and replace this chain. So from other YouTubers, it's best to just connect it to the other one and run it all the way through. All right, guys. We're gonna run this chain through. We had a few options. We had these two right here that didn't work out very well, so we went ahead and we Asian styled it. Put a little bit of zip tie. Remember, it's just temporary, so we're just gonna be running it through. So right now, we're gonna go ahead and pull this through right now, and let's see what happens. Now we can go ahead and undo this zip tie and get rid of this old link. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put these extensions on. So once you put this thing in here, you're gonna have to take that bolt off, that adjustment bolt right there, because it gets in the way. So for this to go in there, it needs to max in all the way. It needs to get in there, so we gotta go ahead and move that out, and then it should be good from there. Alright guys, we went ahead and put these extensions on. So all we're going to have to do is do the brake line and put everything back together. But as you can see...
Sorry, my ass. But you got to take these out. That goes right there just to install that.
But as you can see...
Ignore it's good.
Nah, we're good, man. It's just like 110 in this garage right now. Alright, so brake line. See that sweat? That's real.
I'm just dark.
Alright guys, we went ahead and put these extenders on. It took us a minute to find a good adjustment for everything, especially the brakes. The brakes gave us a little bit of a hassle just because this bracket right here has too much play. So we're gonna go ahead and experiment just a little bit more. As for how it looks at the moment, this is what we're looking at right now. It doesn't look too bad, man. I don't want to go too crazy. I just wanted it to pass the exhaust just a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and break this chain for the length accordingly. So by the time I get back to this, everything should be all good, and then we're gonna go on a little test drive. So got Soko over here.
Really? Cover my toes with it.
Working his magic.
So I think this goes this way, and this goes this way.
And that one goes that way.
And she's pregnant.
What? So what he's doing here is actually cutting the chain. After checking out the length that we need. Right, bro?
I think so.
This is for the haters. Trying to get some haters. Alright guys, what we got right now. We just finished everything. We still got to do the kickstand, and we still got to do the bleed the brakes. So, but we're just checking it out, how the chain's doing. There's a lot of chain. Still got the brake line right here. As for the tension for the chain, I think pretty happy with it. I guess he's gotta clean it up a little bit. Alright guys, after all this barbecue and swimming and joking around, we finally finished this CBR. Everything turned out good, man. We even did a kickstand. Big up to my boy Soko right here. Woo! Mechanic 101.
Oh, 45 minutes.
Make sure you guys check out his channel, Silly R1.
I need to start that.
Yeah, tell him, motivate him. Have him start that channel, guys. Make sure you give him a follow. So, that's a lot of chain exposed right here. So, I just got to be careful not to put my twinkle toes right there. That's where it's at. But, other than that, like I said, it's all good. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and finish this off with a voiceover. I'm going to give you my input on how it rode home now that it's stretched. It actually rode fine. Turning it, definitely. I gotta push a little bit more. It wants to stay up the whole time. So, other than that, going straight, it felt really well. It felt really good, secure. It felt planted. And as for the chain, you feel like it's extended. You feel like it's back there for sure, man. But other than that, stretching to 600 for the haters. But as long as they subscribe and share, it's all good, man. I'll do a full-blown review on this thing probably by next week or so you guys can see how it is. I've been riding it, you know, for like a week. I'll give you my input then. But thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys all on the next one.